a little chit chat time. My glasses have been, I clean my glasses every single day. For the last couple days, I was like, I'm not cleaning. It has like little makeup dust on it. I don't know if you can see. Maybe you cannot see. But I'm like, I'll clean it in a couple days. And a couple days come and I haven't cleaned. But today I am going to clean it. Makeup wipes. I'm using Pond's Cold Cream. It's almost done. Do you sing in the shower? I do. I sing in the shower. I love it. I don't make up my own sound. I'll be singing a song and then I'm like, is that what they really say? You know, sometimes you listen to a song, it sounds like they're saying something, but when you really look to see what the lyrics say, you've been saying it wrong all along. Guilty. I am telling you, I sing songs and it sounds like what they're saying is what you're saying. And so recently I said, let me check these lyrics of this song. And I went and I checked. The lyrics was completely different. I am telling you, oh my God. Check some of the songs you're singing. I know you sing songs and you think the lyrics you're talking about is it. Check the lyrics of some of the songs you sing. You might be surprised, it might not be it at all. Okay, let's take this makeup off. My God. Life, I tell you, life is something else. We gotta live it the best way possible, for sure. Everyday situations come up. We have to figure out how to fix it, how to navigate it without losing ourselves and our minds. And if you think it's too big, if you think the mountain standing in front of you is too big, pray, but also find help, because some days the mountain is scary, and when I mean mountain, I'm talking the situation arise, and it just looks so big that you're like, how am I gonna deal with this? Am I gonna even finish dealing with this? How am I ever gonna get through this? And you just panic setting, fear setting, and you're like, there is no way I can do this. And sometimes we say we are private people and you try to handle it alone, and you soon find out that this mountain problem is too much for one person. So that's where help comes in. I know a lot of us don't like people in our private life and we don't like to ask people for help. But private or not, if you feel overwhelmed, find somebody to help you navigate what it is you're navigating, because none of us can do anything by ourselves. None. We all need somebody to help us. We all need somebody to help us. So don't think that, I don't want the person to know my business, so I am not going to seek help. And in the meantime, the problem is just consuming you to no point. This is what my face looked like after I used the Pond's and the wipe. But don't let your issues or your problems, some of them you can deal with. There's some big ones you can deal with, but then there's some big ones in your hearts of heart, you need help. You need somebody else to, de-stress. So find that person and then de-stress. But don't conquer the mountain alone. Some things we just cannot do by ourselves. We need somebody else. Now I'm getting ready to clean my glasses. I have a little piece of wipe from baby wipes. And now I'm gonna clean it. I am telling you, I clean it every day, but this last couple days I'm like, you know what? I don't want to be bothered. So usually I just clean the rim, but not the glass itself. But I try to do it. Well, I do it. I clean it every day, but I just wipe the rim every time after I cleanse my face when I take my makeup off, because you know makeup gets on the glasses. This is the rim, what the rim had from my makeup, but the glass itself just gets a little dusty. So after I wipe it, see what it looks like with the baby wipe, and then I use this and I'm going to just dry it up. But it takes me a while to get it because any little streak I have to re-wipe. It drives me crazy sometimes. That's why the last 2 days I decided, nope, I'm not going to do anything. Nothing on this bugging me yet. I can see it, it bugs me that way, but I press on. I was like, you know what? You are not gonna stand in my way. I am going to clean you when I am ready. And today is the day I am cleaning it. So these little things, you know, we let it bog us down, and then I check to see what it looks like, and it looks clean, and I put it back on. And I'm done. So with that said, I'm saying always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup will see you in the next video. Okay, stay well, find help to conquer that big mountain. Because if it's standing there, it's going nowhere. It has to be dealt with. So stay with it, with somebody behind you or next to you, partner up and help you. You deal with it, and then you bounce off of them ideas and ways and distress, and you will get it done. It will be done. It will be done. But if you do nothing, nothing from nothing, live nothing. So do something. Again, bye.